In my little experience, somebody said, once you are in the booth, holding the microphone or a soundboard, you must always expect that about 1,000 will only be listening to you. There seems to be a feeling na baka yun lang tapuin yung solo-solo but I can tell you where you go. 1,000 or even more will be listening, so that we will be conscious all the time. The information that we offer.
Sa mga private na radio station ito, binabayaran kung na-late ka. At kung nag-overtime din, ngayong nagprograma, babayaran din niya. So wag po nating kaligtaan, dapat gagawa po tayo ng radio program work plan. Kung ang programa po ninyo daily, dapat daily.
Be happy, chatting, and willing to let your personality shine.
Our constituents deserve to know what's happening within their city. Hindi siya pagmamayabang or hindi siya pananakot kung hindi naman maganda yung balita, pero mahalaga pa rin na informed ang ating citizenry. Because when we have an informed citizenry, then they can make good decisions based on real facts. Baka di nyo alam, malay yun, doon lang ako sa bahay, naman natutulog-tulog lang. But I'm very proud to be able to show every month yung program that we call Buwan Namin, a monthly summary of what we have done. Kung may magsasabi na, walang ginagawa yung Word, isang search lang sa Facebook and they can be proven wrong. That's why it's so important. No? Alam nyo, I have a dream for Isabela, in Basilan eventually, that our journalism improves. No? Our ability to share non-biased information. Kahit negative tungkol sa akin. Kung tama naman and factual, sige.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, no? Kung sa gumagawa po dito ng planning, even yung target measures sa mga accomplishments natin, di ba laging naririnig natin tong SMART? Yung specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, tsaka time-bound. So dapat, lahat po ng gagawin natin, no, na PPAs or sinasabi nating programa, proyekto, or action, or activities, align sa ating objectives na also anchored sa ating vision at mission should be SMART.
And then community radio station takes no editorial stand in its news program. So the station will not be unbiased. So there will be separation of personal and opinions from the subject being covered. So kunwari po yung na-assign po sa inyo na news is hindi po kayo agree doon. So hindi nyo po pwedeng i-mention yun sa program or hindi nyo po pwede kumbaga kontrahin. Dahil yung news naman po or yung program na binigay sa inyo ay na-fact check na po and na-check na po ng ating CRC, na ating personnel in charge or ng ating program manager.
Sa Nutri's Eskwela, Radyo Komunidad, inform agad!
There are people who really eat dogs, but why would you feature that, right? So, maghanap ka ng way na hindi ka mag-feature ng anything na cruel, greedy, or selfish, or unfair. Basic lang naman yun. If you're a civilized person, you don't do that on a regular basis.
Tests and messages news, television, radio, print, and social media that do not discriminate, stereotype, or marginalize any gender. Yung media, kung anong ipapalabas ng media na may social bias na siya, nakukuha yun ng mga tao, no? So, it empowers yung mga content. Depende sa content natin. It reinforce gender bias or promote gender equality.
It was only later nung yung National Nutrition Council na rin talaga ang ang kumausap sa amin. Tapos yung tripartite agreement na we had to enter into. So noon ko lang nalaman na hindi siya yung regular na radyo, na estasyon, na talagang prangkisa mo siya ng National Nutrition Council. Second, yung issue po ng transmitter. Oo, transmitter. So, yun naman naayos na rin natin. Kaya ho, nung nanalo tayo, naging awardee tayo ng SGLG, we decided na yung premyo natin doon ay pamili na natin ng transmitter. Ilo-launch na natin siya next year. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. All the best. I-take on ho natin yung mabigat na responsibility na yan of informing our constituents.